Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your math teacher Miss Sananaya, and today we discuss chapter number 1, matrices and determinant. The objective of this chapter is a student will be able to solving addition and subtraction of two matrices, multiply a matrix by a real number, verify commutative and associative laws under addition, solving additive identity of a matrix, solving additive inverse of a matrix. Addition of matrices. The definition of addition of matrices are: the matrices A and B are comfortable for addition if they have the same order. For example, A is equals to matrix A, B, C, D, and the order of this matrix is 2 by 2, and the second matrix is called B, and the elements are E, F, G, H. Order of B matrix is also 2 by 2, so they are comfortable for addition. Now we add matrix A and B. We can write matrix A plus B. Now we add these matrices. First element is add second matrix first element. A plus E, B plus F, C plus G, and D plus H. This is the general form of addition of matrices. Subtraction of matrices. The definition of subtraction of matrices are: the matrices A and B are comfortable for subtraction if they have the same order. For example, matrix A, the elements are A, B, C, D, and the order of A matrix is 2 by 2, and the second matrix is called B, and the element of B matrix are E, F, G, H. The order of B matrix is 2 by 2, so they are comfortable for subtraction. A minus B is equals to corresponding elements are subtract with each other. A minus E, B minus F, C minus G, and D minus H. This is the general form of subtraction of matrices. Multiplication of a matrix by a real number, and the definition is: let A be any matrix and the real number K be a scalar. Then the scalar multiplication of a matrix A with K is obtained by multiplying each entry of a matrix A with K. It is denoted by Ka. Let A is a matrix and the elements are 1, minus 1, 4, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 2. Be a matrix of order 3 by 3, and K is equals to minus 2 be a real number. Now scalar value multiply the matrix A. Minus 2 multiply by each entry of matrix A. Minus 2 multiply by 1, minus 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 multiply by minus 1, minus minus plus, and 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 multiply by 4, minus plus minus, and 2 fours are 8. Minus 2 multiply by 2, minus 4, minus minus plus, and 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 multiply by 0, the value becomes 0. Minus 2 multiply by 1, minus minus plus, and 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 multiply by 3, minus plus minus, and 2 threes are 6. Minus 2 multiply by 2, minus 2 multiply by 2, minus plus minus, and 2 twos are 4, and the product is minus 2, 2, minus 8, minus 4, 2, 0, 2, minus 6, and minus 4. Commutative and associative law of addition of matrices. commutative law under addition, and the definition is if A and B are two matrices of the same order, then A plus B is equals to B plus A. If we change the position of matrices in addition, it doesn't affect on your answer. It's called commutative law under addition. For example, to prove A plus B is equals to B plus A. Now taking left hand side, here we have A matrix 1 2 3 2 3 1 0 2 minus 1, and B matrix is minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 3 1 1 and 2. The order of A and B matrices are same, 3 by 3. Now we add A plus B. Corresponding elements are add with each other. 1 plus sign bracket minus 1, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 3 plus bracket minus 2, 1 plus 3, 0 plus 1, 2 plus 1, minus 1 plus 2. Now A plus B is equals to 0 2 3 2 minus 1 4 1 3 1. Now taking right hand side, B plus A. Corresponding elements are add with each other. Minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 2, minus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 2 and 2 minus 1. And the result is 0, 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 4, 1, 3 and 1. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. A plus B is equals to B plus A, hence proved. Associative law under addition, and the definition is if A, B and C are three matrices of the same order, then bracket A plus B bracket close plus C is equals to A plus bracket B plus C and bracket close, is called associative law under addition. For example, to prove associative law, taking left hand side, let A matrix 1 2 3 2 3 1 0 2 and minus 1, and the B matrix is minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 and 3 1 1 and 2. C matrix is minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 3 1 1 and 2. Now taking left hand side, first we solve a bracket. First we solve A plus B plus sign, then write C matrix. Now we add A plus B, 1 plus bracket minus 1 and bracket close, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 3 plus bracket minus 2, 1 plus 3, 0 plus 1, 2 plus 1, minus 1 plus 2, plus sign, and C matrix write as it is. Now we add A plus B matrix, and the result is 0 2 3 2 minus 1 and 4 1 3 1, plus sign, and write C matrix as it is. Now we add C matrix with the resultant matrix of A plus B. After addition of C matrices, the result is minus 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 3, 7, 2, 4 and 3. Now taking right hand side, A plus bracket B plus C. First we solve B plus C. Now we add B plus C matrix here. and the result of B matrix is minus 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 4 and 6, 2, 2 and 4, and write A matrix as it is. Now we add A matrix with B plus C, and the result is minus 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 3, 7, 2, 4 and 3. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence proved. Additive identity of a matrix, and the definition is for any matrix A and 0 matrix O of same order is called additive identity of A, as A plus O is equals to A matrix is equals to O matrix plus A matrix. For example, A plus O is equals to A matrix is equals to O matrix plus A matrix. Let A matrix is 2 minus 2, 3 and 2, and O matrix is a null matrix. All elements are 0. Proof: 2 minus 2, 3, 2, A matrix plus sign, and then write O matrix, which is null, 0, 0, 0, is equals to 0 matrix plus A matrix. After addition, 2 plus 0, minus 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 0, and in right hand side, 0 plus 2, 0 minus 2, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 2. The result of left hand side is 2 minus 2, 3 plus 3 and 2 is equals to right hand side result is 2 minus 2, 3 and 2. The result are same, so left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence proved. Additive inverse of a matrix. If A and B are two matrices of the same order, then A plus B is equals to O is equals to B plus A. Means if we add A matrix with B matrix, the result is 0 matrix, and if we add B matrix with A matrix, the result is also 0 matrix. Then A and B are called additive inverse of each other. For example, A matrix add with B matrix and the result is 0 matrix is equals to B matrix add with A matrix, the result is also 0 matrix. Let A matrix is 2 minus 2, 3 and 2, and B matrix is minus 2, 2, minus 3 and minus 2. Proof: left hand side A plus B. A matrix add with B matrix is equals to B matrix add with A matrix. After adding of A matrix with B and B matrix with A, the result is 0 matrix. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence proved. Classwork exercise 1.3, question number 6. Given two matrix A and B and find 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. Solution: 2A transpose minus 3B transpose, write to A transpose minus 3B transpose. Apply transpose on A and B. So interchange rows into column. 1 minus 2 row converted into column 1, 1 minus 2. 3 and 4 row 2 converted into column 2, 3 and 4. Minus 3 as it is. 0, 7 converted into a column 1. 0, 7, minus 3 and 8 converted into a column 2. Now to multiply A transpose value, each individual value, minus 3 multiply by each individual values. Now we multiply